Hello and welcome back to the Craft Mansion. It's so good to see you again, and in today's video I will show you how I made this Avengers clock. So as you can see, I have the 6 original Avengers. They're in the form of the comic style. So I have Captain America, Thor, Hulk, Black Widow, Hawkeye, and then Iron Man over here. There are also the Infinity Stones. So we have the Mind Stone, Soul Stone, Reality, Space, Power and Time, which I basically made from hot glue, paint and nail polish. Most of the video will be a time lapse because this whole thing is a process because it's painting. But stick with me through the end and you can see how I made this Avengers clock. So first, the intro. First we need to take the clock apart. So I unscrewed the screws at the back, then this comes off, and also this. Then remove all the hands and this nut, so you can remove the mechanism at the back. Then also remove the clock layer. To replace this layer I will be using white cardstock, and I've divided this piece into 6 different sectors, so I can put an Avenger in each piece. And these will be hand painted onto the cardstock. After 3 days, the Avengers are all painted, and now it's time to do the Infinity Stones that will go at 6 of the timestamps on the clock. This is one of them, this is the Space Stone, and I'm starting off with some aluminium foil tape and painting it with a metallic blue paint. Then I apply molten hot glue in the shape of the stone. Once the hot glue dries, the stone needs to be shiny, so again I'm adding more metallic blue paint. I'm leaving streaks of paint to give the illusion that the stone is not that solid. The last step is to apply clear nail polish to the Infinity Stone, and then of course do this process to the other 5 Infinity Stones. To attach the stone, just remove the back part of the sticker and then stick it over there. I attached my Infinity Stones at 12 o'clock, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. If the aluminium foil sticker doesn't stick that well to the paper, just attach it with super glue. Before attaching this layer to the back, sand down the area where you're going to put the glue. I will be using contact cement to attach the layers together, and the way this works is you first apply the contact cement to both sides, wait about 10 to 15 minutes, and then once the glue is almost dry, attach both sides. Make sure you stick everything correctly so when you attach the clock, it will work properly. All that's left to do is to attach all the parts back together. And that is how I turned an ordinary clock into one of Marvel. I have more videos on my channel. For example, I have this one where I painted these same Avengers on a jacket. And then I also have this one. You can always subscribe right here, and I'll see you guys next time. At 12 o'clock to... Okay, فهمنيكم.